All right, so how do you shave your head to match this area so that way you can install a hair system that perfectly matches your template? Well, we can actually use this template to help us shave our head. Now, the way that we're going to do that is quite simple, actually. We're going to use that template we just made, right? And what I like to do is I like to put some tape right here at the front, right at that front hairline. Now, automatically, you know for a fact that if you have any hair right here, you may not. I did not have any hair in my front region right here. I had lost it all. So I didn't have to do any shaving before, but in order to get that template perfectly lined up with a little bit of tape to hold this in place, which I highly recommend, you may need to shave a little bit of your frontal region. It's scary, I know, but you'll get through it, and it's your first step towards actually making this happen. You're about to shave this entire region, so just grin and bear, okay? I know it's scary. But you're going to apply some tape to the bottom of the unit and to the front of this, your forehead right here. And once it's in place, you'll take an electric razor like this. From there, what you're basically gonna do is you're gonna take an electric razor and you are going to begin simply outlining your template that you had just created. You're gonna have to do this by having a mirror in one hand and having the electric razor in the other. And what I recommend you do is when you are about to cut into your hair, have your electric razor off. And then as soon as it's in place, then turn it on, just like I did right there. And the reason for that is that you get it lined up and then you actually cut the hair and then turn it back off again. So that way you're not making any mistakes and you're not shaving any hair that you didn't want to shave. It's happened to me before and it's not a fun thing. So turn it back off, move it into the proper place by using your mirror and your electric razor, turn it back on again, shave it, and keep on going all the way around your entire unit. Now, by that time, you are going to have a line around your template, and this is going to be the area that you shave off, okay? So from there, you can do most of that with an electric razor. You can shave all of your hair underneath the template. You take the template off, and then you begin shaving all of the hair. Just use your mirror as your guide. For the edges of my hair loss where I'm shaving, right, is I actually like to take a straight edge razor or a bladed razor, if you will, and I like to come over to the sides, slowly line it up in position, and then slowly come towards the edge of where I am shaving my head. And the reason I like to do it is it's very precise and I can control it much more than an electric razor. So if you don't feel comfortable using the electric razor near the hair that you want to keep, shave the middle with the electric razor and then come in with a bladed razor and use your mirror to line it up and then come in and shave that last little half an inch or eighth of an inch. And I guarantee you're gonna have great results. You're not gonna mess up. It's gonna feel a little awkward at first because you've never done it before and you're working kind of behind your head sometimes. But I guarantee you, after the first couple times, it becomes much, much easier. It becomes second nature. And it's not something that you're gonna be afraid of doing. So this video right here, you learned how to make a template, you learned all about custom units, and you learned how to shave your head. Let's jump into the next video.